Have you ever been anxious about your performance in the bedroom? Or perhaps the pleasure you thought you were going to experience with your partner didn't quite meet your expectations? Several studies have suggested that people who practice mindfulness had higher levels of sexual desire than those who did not. Research has also indicated that persons who use mindfulness during sex have higher sexual satisfaction and self-esteem. In today's video, we'll discuss what mindfulness is and how it can be used to your benefit in the bedroom by decreasing sexual anxiety, reducing stress, enhancing pleasure, and improving your overall connection with your partner. Mindfulness involves being aware of one's thoughts, feelings, and actions to achieve balance in one's life. Mindfulness can be divided into two categories. Awareness in the present moment. This is about being aware of what you're experiencing in the here and now. It involves directing your awareness towards your physical sensations, thoughts, and the sounds around you in the present moment. An easy way to do this is to use your five senses. No judgment. This entails being able to directly observe your experience without being drawn into the whirlwind of emotions such as sadness, frustration, irritation, or judgments. It involves identifying the current behavior or situation without labeling it as necessarily good or bad. It just is. Benefits of mindful sex. You'll be fully present and involved with your partner if you incorporate mindfulness into the bedroom. During sexual activity, thoughts such as performance anxiety, body image concerns, distractions, negative self-talk, and a fear of intimacy might arise and destroy the experience. With mindfulness, you'll be able to let go of distractions, worry, and pressure to perform, allowing you to simply relax and fully enjoy the experience. You'll find that communicating with your partner about what you want and need will help you tune into your sensations and desires. Together, practicing mindfulness will allow you to enjoy sex that's not just physical, but also emotional, intimate, and rewarding. There are a number of benefits to practicing mindfulness during sexual activity, including decreased sexual anxiety. Some guys might be worried about getting overly excited too quickly, and will start thinking about baseball or some other subject to reduce or control their arousal. But when you're having an intimate encounter with someone, the purpose is to enjoy the pleasure that comes with it, not distract yourself from it. Slow your mind down by embracing the present situation rather than mentally distancing yourself from it. Directly focus on the sensations and experiences during the sexual interaction. If this is challenging at first, it'll get easier over time with each opportunity you have to practice it. And don't bring yourself down by judging any emotions that come up. According to research, a non-judgmental attitude reduces negative thoughts about yourself and your partner, enhancing self-esteem and decreasing sexual anxiety. Acknowledge the thought or emotion, then let it pass through and redirect yourself back to the present moment. Reduce stress. Sex may be a profound bonding experience for a couple, but it can also be stressful. Stress during sex can be caused by a variety of factors, including anxiety over how one's body appears, concerns about performing well, or difficulty getting aroused. But when we cultivate mindfulness, we develop the ability to keep our minds in the present, let go of distracting or distressing thoughts, and savor all the wonderful aspects of sexual connection. Redirecting yourself to the present moment is an effective stress reduction technique not just in daily life, but in the bedroom as well. As a result, it's not surprising that it can boost sexual desire and performance by lowering cortisol and adrenaline levels. Our lives are filled with stress from work, relationships, and a variety of other factors. It becomes tough to orgasm when your stress levels are high, as stress and anxiety constrict blood vessels. Overall, mindfulness assists you in transitioning away from the fight or flight reaction and into a zone of calmness. Improve relationship satisfaction. Sexual mindfulness promotes not only sexual happiness and self-esteem, but also the overall relationship of a couple. Mindfulness encourages people to examine their thoughts and actions without responding instantly, which is an important skill to have in everyday interactions with their partners. In a heated debate, for example, we may impulsively say hurtful things without thinking them through first. If we analyze our feelings and behaviors carefully, as mindfulness teaches us, we may be able to prevent ourselves from saying those spiteful words. So being thoughtful in the bedroom may develop a practice of self-control and awareness that persists into daily interactions. Enhanced pleasure. How often does your mind review events from the past or imagine what might occur in the future? It becomes tough to interrupt the cycle of past and future thoughts, and this is when mindfulness can be helpful. When you focus on the present moment, your mind isn't thinking about the previous encounters that didn't go well or the anticipated problems that may soon occur. When you're fully concentrating on the now by using your 5 senses, it means you'll be able to experience complete sexual pleasure and orgasm more effectively. When your partner's turned on, it can turn you on. Mirror neurons are thought to be intuitive, which means that simply witnessing someone else be pleased might generate pleasure in your brain. So if your partner's turned on, the feeling may be passed on to you or vice versa. The physical can be awfully fun, but if we see sex only in the physical realm, we miss out on the potential sex has. Interested in how to strengthen the intimacy in your relationship? Then check out this video over here. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.